जय शिल प्रभुपाद। हरे कृष्णा नाम प्रभु की जय। Welcome all of you for the 72nd session of Soulful Japa. Let us start with our Japa practice, mindful Japa practice. Now, many of you are already started different other aspects of different rounds. So, any one of the feelings you can take it up when you're doing this mindful Japa. Practice Japa we're doing. Why we are repeatedly doing this again and again every day is because this is the very foundation of soulful japa. If there is no chanting come hearing by the foreground mind, then you are simply thinking of Krishna, thinking of faith, thinking of you're not applying faith, you're thinking of faith, you're thinking of preeti, you're thinking of dependency, you're thinking of like these different things that I have in all the 16 cards that we are given. You will be only thinking. So that is why in this training it's very important. Again and again I am repeating the foundation of the secret of all this getting into detail understanding of this is differentiation between foreground mind and background mind. Foreground mind repairing of japa, improving of japa is nothing but learning how to do concurrent chanting come hearing with your kriya chesta, jnana chesta on the every manifesting nama. Chant and exactly hear the same sound. Ho gaya. Your foreground mind knows nothing else to do for the foreground mind. In order to do this, I have explained in 15, in maybe in 10, 15 modules, I have explained this, where all mistakes can happen, etc. So it is so fundamental that unless your attention, you have attention connection and attention embrace, whom are you giving the feelings to? So you have to be connected to the Nama Avatara who is on your tongue. So that is why, please understand the whole thing. Now you are becoming expert in soulful japa day by day. But please understand that there are two sections to it. One is a trained mind, which will link the chanting and hearing together on the same sound. That is the essence of connection with the Lord. After connection with the Lord, then you have got, mature thought feelings. Feelings with one thought, not movement of thoughts. You want to repair your japa, you have to see, should I repair my foreground or should I improve my background? That's all. Two areas. If I want to improve my japa, immediately you should think there are two areas of improvement, foreground and background. Background is all off japa time work, contemplation, reflection. To contemplate, you have to read. So read, contemplate, reflect. Cycles. Repeat the cycles of this. The concerned relevant module, you repeat this cycle again and again. That last time I told, it's like cooking. Cooking the thoughts with the feelings. So it get cooked. Then they become bhavana. Okay, so that is the work as far as the background is concerned. Foreground is concerned, mindful japa. These two things, if you make it pakka, then anywhere anything goes wrong, suppose attention goes away, then immediately the problem is not background or anything. The problem is in the I gone out of the fire of Satchidananda. Okay, so let's do our chanting, keeping this in mind, that whatever feeling you give, you cannot go out of the fire of Satchidananda. Mindful japa means you are in the fire of Satchidananda. Okay. Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityanamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंद.
The process is that you chant Hare Krishna and exactly the same sound you hear.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
You simply hear. When you say Hare Krishna, you try to hear the very sound.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Simply chant Hare Krishna and try to hear the sound. Therefore,
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
when you chant, you must hear also.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare.
Chanting, you must hear. Hare Krishna, you must give attention to hear.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
As soon as you chant Hare Krishna, you hear it, then your mind becomes locked up.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. So let us, this entire part of soulful japa, which we have introduced now, after going through the training of mindful japa. In mindful japa, we were saying whatever in the background you have due to your past experience with japa, let it be there to drive the japa, or to whatever feeling, whatever it is, as an offering to offering to Nam Prabhu. Whatever is there, let it be there. But all the focus was on the foreground mind. So now preparing richness in the background mind is through feelings. And those feelings are bhavanas, are thought feelings, I said. If it is only feeling, then it is artificial. Like anybody can act in a drama, in a movie, they can cry, they can all those things. These are artificial. Because the thoughts there itself is false, not reality. Whereas in our soulful japa, the feeling that we give or feeling that we release to do the japa, to offer the service to the Lord, Nama Prabhu, these are all coming out of absolute thoughts, not out of imagination. That is why these are, not ordinary feelings, they are transcendental feelings. Under the guidance of Guru and Krishna, under the guidance of Shastras, we know the Lord is on our tongue, and this is a kind of relationship He is expecting. This is a spirit with which He is expecting that you do your japa, etc. What all He expects. That is there in the Shastra, and then we are, hearing that from the Guru, Sadhu and Shastra, contemplating, reflecting, then it becomes a realization. Not only contemplating and reflecting, as I told you, even Nama Prabhu's realization in real life also is part of it. That I have explained last, also that how Nama Prabhu is not simply, his Leela is not only self-purification, but he also engages you in his service, in his mission externally. So there also you get his reciprocation. Every day getting prasadam itself is a big reciprocation. Not easy in this world to live every day by taking only prasadam. You can think of that also, even when it comes to maintain a round, no? You can think, you can honor the prasadam, greatness of prasadam. Similarly, this material world is so dangerous. Because you are serving Nama Prabhu, you have got continuous protection from him. There are so many protections, just like you see, if somebody is shooting an arrow on you and you do not even know, he is shooting behind you, you do not even know. The Lord diverts it. You think nothing has happened. You didn't even know that there was a person who was attacking you, and there was a Lord who came and who protected you. So not that all protection the Lord that is giving you. So Lord is continuously protecting you, the devotee who does Nama Seva. So Nama Prabhu protects the devotees. So these are also reciprocations. When you think of, for instance, protection, maintenance, those feelings, so they are not artificial. They are connected to our real life also. So that is why. So contemplation, when you contemplate, there this reality reciprocations also come in there and mix. So you are contemplating the realities. When you contemplate the reality, you contemplate the absolute thought, you contemplate on the qualities of the Lord, you contemplate on what the Guru, Sadhu and Shastra has said on that particular subject of gratitude or this, whatever it is. Then, once you contemplate, okay, so now this is so important. This aspect of thought feeling is so important. As I said, pre-cooking, fully pre-cooking the thoughts into bhavanas is very important. And not that every time you have to cook. Once you have a particular bhavana towards Nama, it is their whole life it will serve you. That bhavana. And not only that, this bhavana that you have now, it goes on becoming deeper and deeper. Okay. Every feeling in that 16th round will become deeper and deeper as you properly do soulful japa. So, let us go through a module which I have written on thought feeling. I'll read it because it looks like so many questions devotees are asking, they don't read, they just come for this session. So I will read this. This is a very important thing. Thought feelings. What are thought feelings or bhavanas? Soulful japa is chanting come hearing and tasking executed through the foreground executing mind, combined with the offering of absolute thought feelings or bhavanas through the background mind. So, through our mind only we are offering our soul energies to the Lord, whether it is Preeti, Cheshta, everything is offered through the Shakti Avasya Nama is on our tongue. Through the mind we offer. Okay. So, mind has got two parts, foreground executing mind and background feeling mind. Okay. There are different types of feelings. Feelings is not only about respect, feeling is not about love, feeling is not about, there's a feeling that drives, there is a feeling that drives something. Purpose, intent, desire, these are also feelings. They drive. Delightful doing, joyful hearing, these are all feelings that drive your japa. And then there are another category of feeling called truth feelings. Truth feeling is what? Truth feeling is called Shraddha. Krishna is on my tongue is a truth feeling. You have to feel. It is not philosophy. You have to feel. He is on my tongue. So that is Shraddha. So these are foreground executing mind, which does concurrent chanting, come hearing and tasking. Then there is a background mind which offers thought feelings. Soul delivers action into this world through the background, to the foreground mind and feelings through the background mind. The absolute thought feelings are about Nama Prabhu, towards Nama Prabhu from the chanter, from Nama Prabhu to the chanter, about identity of the self who is the chanter. What is an absolute thought feeling? An absolute thought feeling is a feeling that flows from a bunch of interrelated absolute thoughts. They are transformation of these absolute thoughts into absolute feelings, which last time I gave some example. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, how that Shanta Rasa develops by repeatedly hearing about the greatness of Krishna. That first you hear the knowledge about the greatness of Krishna, that knowledge when you contemplate, then when you reflect, it transforms slowly into Shantarasa or a feeling of greatness as soon as you hear the name Krishna. Where do you get this chunk of absolute thoughts? We cannot imagine and create bhavanas. You get that from Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. Now, how does this transformation of thoughts to thought feelings happen? How does it happen? For instance, when a person is angry towards someone, behind that anger there are angry thoughts, and those thoughts got converted to anger. Anger is a thought feeling. During conversion of thoughts into thought feelings, there are cycles of intense thinking or movement of thoughts or thought processing in the mind, along with the activity of combining these thoughts with feelings that the thoughts generate. When you think, some feelings are generated. So they are mixed together. Okay, there's a movement of thoughts. This thinking is in the form of cycles of contemplation and reflection that keeps generating feelings. It is like process of cooking where raw ingredients are converted into eatable food. Once it is cooked, it is no longer original ingredients. Once a thought feeling is generated, it is largely a feeling and just one static thought behind it, acting as a trigger to release the thought feelings. So that is why he said, so in a thought feeling or in a bhavana, is there a thought? Yes, there is a thought. It's not thoughtless, it's not only feeling, there is a thought. But there is no movement of thought, that is one thought will be there. One thought of gratitude or anything. Moment, how I should be grateful, what all, reasons why I should be grateful, we start, then you are gone into thinking, you are out of the fire of Satchidananda. Why? Because if you have to think, your foreground mind has to be active. And foreground mind is the one who is keeping, Kriya Chesta and Jnana Chesta. Your Kriya Chesta, Jnana Chesta goes into contemplation, thinking about all this, philosophizing. When you philosophize, then you don't hear. But the whole process is, the most effective process is to hear. That is right from beginning. The entire soulful japa is concerned about hearing and not thinking. Yes, last lecture or last session also I talked about how it's like drinking. A time to drink is not time to think. When you're eating your food, it's time to eat. Taste the food, and that's not the time for thinking. The same way, of course, in order to eat the food, after food is taken or before food is taken, you think so many things. Thinking as a role, but not while eating. So, this thinking is in the form of cycles of contemplation and reflection that keeps generating feelings. What is reflection? Reflection is just again and again, whatever you have processed, contemplation produces something, and that one you will understand that as I read. This thinking is in the form of cycles of contemplation and reflection that keeps generating feelings. It is like the process of cooking, where raw ingredients are converted into eatable food. Once it is cooked, it is no longer original ingredients. Once a thought feeling is generated, it's largely a feeling and just one static thought behind that acting as a trigger. Next. The one static thought represents a bunch of original thoughts. See, our mind is very powerful. Many thoughts linked together, reasoning, everything, why Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead, as I explained. So many things, so many questions you have asked, you got answers to all of them, they're all connected together. That one thought, it becomes one compound thought, original thought. So a bunch of original thoughts by a process called chunking of thoughts in our minds. This continuously happens as you learn any subject in the material world, in our daily life. It starts putting the thoughts together in an interrelated manner. Okay. So finally, there is only one static thought behind that feeling. Till it is fully cooked, some thought processing will also happen along with feelings. No doubt that also I already explained that, just overnight now you start soulful japa. Some thought of those thought processing also may happen if you are not fully cooked. But you should at least understand the science. That's why I am reading this. So till fully cooked, some thought processing will happen. A new person, you telling Krishna is Supreme Personality Godhead is on your tongue. And then, why Krishna is the Supreme Personality Godhead, all these thoughts. I told him today. And, today he begins his chanting. It does not become immediately bhavana. These thoughts, while he is doing japa in himself, he is actually not hearing. He is thinking of these things. Doesn't matter, either during japa or let him first, let that thing go inside. Later on, he has to train himself not to go away from, foreground activity of hearing is the most important thing. I should chant and hear. That is a connection. I should not break the connection. Okay, once several cycles of contemplation, reflection happen, the thought feelings are fully cooked. After that, we spontaneously act based on those thought feelings without indulging any thinking process. Bhavana means without you act without needing to think. The characteristic of thought feeling is that it largely a feeling with one chunk thought representing a bunch of thoughts. These are all very important. Why I am saying, so that I asked you to do 16 rounds with different feelings. You should not turn that into a philosophical session, japa. It is a chanting and hearing session. This is in the background, you are offering to the Lord these things. If it comes, it comes. Otherwise, go on doing soulful japa and then do a lot of off japa time work, contemplation. After that, we spontaneously act based on thought feelings which indulge in without indulging in thinking. The characteristic of thought feeling is that it's largely a feeling with one important thought. And this is important to understand this fact that a thought feeling is a feeling. Now please remember this. A fully cooked thought feeling is a feeling with a thinkingless thought. Usually thoughts are there, you will think. Or the meaning of that thought is loaded in that feeling. Meaning is different. Processing the meanings are different. There's a conclusion, there's a meaning. Krishna is the ocean of Satchidananda. Take that one thing. Ocean of Satchidananda. Nama Prabhu is the ocean of Satchidananda. So first is thinking, no. Okay, ocean of Satchidananda. Because you're not seen. So you think, you contemplate, and then it becomes a thoughtless, thinkingless feeling. Now let us apply this to Nama Japa. From the absolute thoughts, how do we generate thought feelings? When the respective Krishna conscious thoughts flow in our mind repeatedly in a contemplative, reflective mood, regularly over long period, it slowly get converted into feelings. These feelings and thoughts get seamlessly pasted together and become thought feelings or bhakti bhavana. In thought feelings, the feelings come first in the background mind, loaded with one static thought representing a bunch of thoughts without verbalizing the thoughts. Your mind speaks in the language of thought feelings or bhavana when you are in relationship with someone. Next. We have already explained that faith is a thought feeling coming under truth feelings. Purpose, desire, intention are also thought feelings that come under drive feelings. Drive, these are, unless you have a purpose and desire and intention, your foreground mind has no drive. So purpose, desire, intention are feelings that drive your foreground activity. If purpose, desire and intention of japa is skeleton that drives the japa, then delight, joy and successful, they are also driving spirit. Delight, joy and success are the flesh that adds on to the driving spirit of japa. So skeleton is what? Purpose, desire, intention. Then there is actual chanting with delight, hearing with joy, tasking with success. This is like the flesh that you add on to that. So total drive, if you take up the total drive of a japa, what drives japa is purpose, desire, intention, delight, joy, success. So these things are included in different practices that I have in the cue cards. Humility, respect, love, gratitude, surrender, they are all interpersonal thought feelings offered to Nama Prabhu during japa. So there are drive feelings, then there are interpersonal feelings, and there are truth feelings. First one is truth feeling, then feelings that drive our action, and there is interpersonal feelings. Interpersonal feelings are something that we offer directly to the Lord. Respect, preeti, you offer to the Lord. From your heart, you offer to the Lord. When you say a delightfully chant, it is not directly you are offering that, but the Lord thinks, he is delightfully chanting, not that he is, like a morose, somehow I have to drag my rounds. So the Lord sees that the spirit with which you are doing japa. Are you joyfully associating with me or like a stick in the mud? So, are you taking pleasure, accumulating pleasure? Do you value that every chanting is additional soul wealth, and it is a soul food, and its benefit is eternal? Oh, you are okay. This devotee has understood one chanting is so powerful. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, offered to Nam. Please note that all thought feelings directed towards currently manifesting Nama. Okay. This is also very important. Feelings are not simply in the air. Okay. These feelings are getting connected to each Nama that is coming on your tongue. See, when you're speaking with somebody, you look at his face and talk, no? Because you know he is there and you talk. So that means all your energy is directed there. So japa is a relationship. All that we are doing is directed towards Nama Prabhu, and Nama Prabhu is receiving this delightful chanting, joyful hearing. He is receiving it. This is not simply, produce all these things in the air and, no. There is a person who is receiving it. It's not some mechanically generating from thoughts. These thoughts should be there in the mind. That's all. When you do japa. No, it's not that. This thought should be there with an intention, desire to please the Lord. For Him only you are doing all these things. Focus is Nama Prabhu for both the foreground executing mind and background feeling mind. Please don't separate background feeling. Foreground mind, okay, we have trained ourselves. It is Nama goes out of picture means your japa is gone. You are out of. Background feeling mind also is connecting to everything, entire thing, everything that you do in japa, focus is the Nama on the tongue. Then only it gets linked. We have already established the role of foreground mind in practice of mindful japa and how to train and improve the quality of our japa. These training sessions are now designed to learn how to prepare the thought, feelings or bhakti bhavanas by repeated cycles of contemplation, reflection and store them in our subconscious mind. 2. How to trigger these already cooked thought feelings into our background mind to offer to each of the currently manifesting Nama Prabhu. 3. To offer these thought feelings without indulging the foreground mind in thought processing about the thought feelings. See, very important. Thus, thought feelings means feelings with one key static thought associated with it without engaging in processing of that thought by the foreground mind. The ensuing training presumes that you have practiced 30 days of mindful japa of concurrent chanting cum hearing. The pre-cooking, what is contemplation and reflection? The pre-cooking of absolute thoughts with feelings has two parts, contemplation and reflection. Contemplation means processing thoughts to generate feelings from it and then paste them together in a thoughtless feeling. All this naturally happens. I'm just giving you explanation. Whereas it happens, but if you don't even know that, if you should know the, how these things, how I can increase it. If you know that this is the way it happens, then you have to spend more time. Whereas reflection, what is reflection? Is like spontaneous remembrance of the thought feelings that are prepared by such contemplation. Reflection is more like memorizing those thought feelings. However, till the pre-cooking is not completed by spending sufficient time and number of cycles of repetition by contemplation and reflection on the absolute thoughts, there will be tendency to do this contemplation during japa with the help of foreground mind. Very important point I am making now. Ideally, there should be only one thought along with the feeling during the japa. If during japa there is a passive reflection of that static key thought associated with that thought feeling in the background mind, that is perfect. It's a Shraddha, Krishna is before me, Nama Prabhu is before me, is the ocean of Satchidananda. One thought. It's a passive reflection, that reflective thought. Reflective thought is with a thought feeling. You don't have to analyze it. So if that thought is there full round, Krishna is before me. Not as an intellectual thought, but as a thought feeling. That means as a reality, Krishna is there. Okay. But contemplation on that thought will require the foreground mind, and that will distract it from current. Okay. How the Nama is ocean of Satchidananda? If that question comes, okay, you've gone into your foreground mind has started doing the off japa time work during japa. That means while eating you are thinking, and that will distract it from currently chanting come hearing. It is a subtle point I am making. Read once again all till you grasp this point to avoid contemplation during japa with background mind. Passive reflection or repeated remembrance of thought feeling can happen during japa. Again I am saying, it's not there is no thoughts. During japa you cannot say there is no thoughts. Each of these feelings have a thought. But you should not process the thoughts. It should already be cooked into a feeling. But if contemplation during japa, then you will come out of mindful japa. If you engage in contemplation, you will come out of mindful japa. That means you fall out of the fire of Satchidananda. If reflection happens, you will still be in the fire of Satchidananda. Because passive reflection is a kind of remembrance of thought feelings and is done by the background mind. This reflection is done by the background mind. It's just recalling. Some of these things you have to get a feel of it. Okay, what I am trying to say, language has its own limitation. As much as possible, I am trying to explain it in the language. But these are all nothing new things. In our whole life, we are doing contemplation, we are doing reflection, we are giving bhavanas. All this we are doing. But only for Nama we don't give. That is the reason why I have to explain all these things. Because Nama Japa means that time, because you don't see Krishna before you, you don't see Nama before you, you don't have faith that the Lord is before you. Even if you have philosophical faith, you don't feel that faith when you are doing the japa that He is before you. Therefore, it becomes mechanical. Unless Sevya is felt, now all these things, what you offer even to an ordinary girlfriend, you cannot offer to Krishna. What feeling you offer to your pet also you cannot give to Krishna. Just see how sad it is. We are able to give so much to our pet. Attention we are able to give. We are able to give, so many things. Our soul energy we give to a pet. Nama Prabhu, the Supreme Personality of God, don't come on my tongue. And I am not able to give. Why? Depth of faith. First is philosophical faith. As I told you, these faith feelings, always remember this. Make it an ambition in your life. That these feelings should become deeper and deeper and deeper with deeper realizations. That is called realization. Realization means contemplation, reflection, application. It becomes realizations. Because passive reflection is a kind of remembrance. Okay. Now, reflection of thought feelings does not require foreground mind. This secret you should know. Okay. So, no need to blank out the thought connected to that feeling. Thinking is different, thought is different. 100 times I have explained this. Thinking is different, thought is different. Thought does not need a foreground mind. Thinking needs a foreground mind. Thinking is thought processing. We don't want to come out of the fire of Satchidananda. Apart from cue cards as triggers. Your trigger, your Satchidananda, your foreground mind only is engaged in triggering. When you trigger at that time, chanting, come hearing for a moment, one beat may not happen, doesn't matter. But your foreground mind is, because it's external. Trigger cards are external. It triggers. So apart from cue cards as triggers, if your foreground mind tends to process the thoughts connected to thought feelings, then don't try to trigger the feeling, but carry on with your plain concurrent chanting come hearing. Hearing is more important. Being in the fire is more important than, in order to give premature feelings, you cut down on your chanting come hearing, because this is also Krishna. Krishna also likes when you contemplate on his qualities, you contemplate on these things. Not that it is displeasing to Krishna, but you are slowing your process. Nama avatara, you see, Lord has come as Shabda. First you have to connect with him, and then purification will happen. Then automatically, this kind of, manmana bhav madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. Krishna says, yes, you should contemplate and reflect. We are talking about a finer point here. This is when we are becoming pure. Then when our mind is pure, then contemplation and reflection and hearing are all on the same plane. There is no difference. They are all absolute. They are all absolute. Not for us. Now our pipeline is through hearing. That you should know. Why? Kalikale Namarupe Krishna Avatara. Specifically, very mercifully, without any qualification, he will give us association. Pre-qualification not required. Contemplation and reflection, if you have to directly touch Krishna, you have to, just like you see, I'll give you an example. In my mind, I think a form of Krishna. Say I'm a new person in the movement, or it's the form of Krishna. He's only thinking of form of Krishna. That in that form of Krishna doesn't become Krishna in Kali Yuga, unless it is a deity form. That's an advanced thing. I'm specifically talking about, take a case of a new person. A new person, he think, okay, I heard, I want to meditate on Krishna. He will sit and he'll close his eyes. Definitely some thoughts, some purification, pre-japa, he will have some contemplation. All these things will create some feelings. That's okay. But is that thought that he has in his mind the form of Krishna? Lord does not take avatara. Special concession, Lord says, new bhakta, not bhakta, old bhakta, does not matter anything. Hare Krishna, you utter, I am that. Therefore associate with me through Nama. Therefore hearing is most important. Okay, next. Then for that particular thought feeling which is not fully cooked, you should do more homework of contemplation and reflection. After sufficient cooking of these thoughts with the fire of feelings, a day will come when you can load these thought feelings without indulging the foreground mind in thinking about it. Thinking means thought processing. If you contemplate during japa, you'll be forced to drag your foreground mind into it, away from chanting come hearing. So we should see japa time as a time to eat the cooked food and not the time for cooking the food. Okay, next. Yes. So this is the basic, that is, I wanted to read through this so that, when you read it also, it becomes very easy. You get a grasp of this, because this is the engine. This is the engine. Apart from this, no doubt, these are things that we offer. When we associate with Nama Prabhu, when the self-purification happens, these thought feelings automatically enhance. How do they enhance? I told you the depth of faith. Shraddha goes on increasing. From where it goes on? Your whole life you are not contemplating. with a basic contemplation, with a basic faith, you're chanting Hare Krishna, then your faith goes on increasing. Then there is no question of anything. There is no question of any, there's no question of even a single thought required to even trigger. Hare Krishna means, your thought feeling has, bhavana has come. Oh, Krishna is before me. Krishna is before me. And all things connected to what happens when a VIP, most very important person come. MVP is come before you. Most important or infinitely important VIP. So with that, the fundamentals of how you go through this process of thought feeling, how you start with the thoughts. You yourself can take up certain thoughts which are, for instance, what are the thoughts? I have explained what are the thoughts that are behind each of the 16 cards, thought feelings. That thought is in one feeling, in one line. Obviously, in one line, that feeling, if you try to generate, it will look artificial. That is again connected to a whole module. Some module you have to read. Essence of that, from that essence you will get that feeling. So these are not artificially produced. If they are, based out of your own origin, is the thoughts from Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. That is why this is not artificial. You have to know that first you have to have faith in that itself. That Shraddha. Forget Shraddha in the Nama on my tongue. First you have to have Shraddha in the truth, the factualness of everything that Guru, Sadhu and Shastra have declared or have given is absolute truth. Yeah, so we'll take some questions. Okay, can we define tasking as nano delight after every nama? Like Hare tasking, Krishna tasking, Hare tasking, Krishna tasking. Is it a good practice or it should be only between the beats? No, tasking you do between the beats. Don't need to task all those things. Tasking is not a very important. Chanting and hearing those words are very important. Between the words, you don't bring tasking. Auto tasking happens. Once you have learned the mantra, automatically after Hare Krishna will come. But in the other case, bead after bead is Nama Prabhu. One Nama Avatara is in what form? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. As I told you, this is one full name. This is the name of the Avatara. What is the name of the Nama Avatara? Not Hare or Krishna or no. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is a mantra Surupa, Shabda Surupa of the mantra. So this personality, which I have already explained, if you want a single personality, that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is a combination of Radha and Krishna, Radha Krishna, Nahi Anya. So bead by bead you do tasking. And as far as word by word, please build up that mantra by delightfully. You learn somehow others, you have to, whenever I hear Hare or Krishna or Rama, I am delightful. Because they name that Lord themselves, no difference. So if that gets into our system, anytime I chant or I hear these three words, I have to do it joyfully, because the meaning is that. Why I will not be joyful? If I have faith in the Shastra, I have to be joyful, because Krishna himself says I'm descending. It's not a good cause, reason for being joyful. These are not all artificial. Joy comes behind, there is a thought behind it. There's Krishna conscious understanding behind it. Okay, so next. Apart from contemplation, there is any other method to increase faith, Prabhu? Or contemplation is the only method? Because it looks like mechanical method on the mind. No, no, no. You cannot do contemplation without heart. Without soul, you cannot do. It's all not mental. You cannot just do a process. Your heart should give up. That's what I said. You can intellectualize. A professor can, a philosophy professor can read Bhagavad Gita as it is and write a PhD out of it. Intellectually, he'll connect every thought, chapter to chapter, what Krishna said here, what Krishna said there, everything he'll connect. That is called mechanical. But here, what is there? Feeling. He doesn't give feeling there. He only gives intellect. You're giving feeling. Soul is where the feeling is. Okay, so you are misunderstanding that this contemplation is an intellectual activity. It is intellectual also. Okay. And another big secret I will give you. How to get ready-made faith without cooking. Cooked faith. Association with a person who has got strong faith. You will just grab it like that. This is a big secret I have revealed. It has happened to you, but you do not know that has happened. It has happened to me, happened to everybody who became a devotee. When you read Prabhupada's book, when you heard his Leela, or when you one statement of Prabhupada in his purport, when that happens, the faith, you see the faith of Prabhupada in Krishna, that comes and just sits in you. You have got a ready-made faith. No need for contemplation. But for that, you should be submissive to that person. You should trust that person. Now, whatever he says must be true. First you select whom you want to hear Krishna Katha from. So you have to submissively hear. When you submissively hear, that is why it is said, submissively hear Bhagavatam class. Not intellectually hear. Intellectual processing also will be there. But you have to submissively hear. When you submissively hear, big revolution happens inside. Nasta prayeshu vadreshu nityam bhagavata sevaya. Sevaya. You should hear Bhagavatam in the mood of service, not in the mood of intellectualizing, not in the mood of doubting, not in the mood of questioning, not in the mood of some people get into this mood. Every day, everybody's class, they will sit, they will hear. Is he saying what is in the Guru, Sadhu and Shastra, or is he going off? What is the need? When you goes off, when somebody goes off, you will know. Suppose there is a 6-acre land here in Hare Krishna. When I am crossing the boundary wall will stop me, I will know. But when I am inside, why don't I have normal life? Why I am always thinking of boundary? So those people will never eat the nama, they will never eat the shraddha that comes from the speaker. They never spiritually benefit from that. They are like that professor sitting in the, analyzing Bhagavad Gita, writing a thesis on Bhagavad Gita. No doubt, a new devotee begins like that. New devotee, because he is not convinced of so many things. But once you are convinced, once you understand, then Bhagavatam hearing is a process. When you hear, it's a process. You have to, with Shraddha, you have to hear, then quickly you will get everything. Without doing all those things, ready-made. Prabhupada's faith in Krishna, one drop of it will come and sit in you. Next question. Cue cards for Mala 4 and 5, joyfully drinking and pleasure giving, seems to be indicating a process like spiritful japa than a feeling that I already explained. Is joy not a feeling? Giving pleasure to somebody is not a feeling? That's called preeti. Pleasure giving is called preeti. Seems like indicating a spiritful japa. Delightful doing, yes, it is spiritful. Joyful drinking also you can say it is spiritful. But pleasure giving is is not spiritful japa. Anyway, these classifications don't have any rigid boundaries. Okay, it's all meant to show this. See, three kinds of feelings are there. Truth feelings come by contemplation or realization. Both. I think realization is better word. I think both words put together is better because it describes everything. Realization comes by experience, by Lord's intervention, exactly, by chanter's endeavor and consistency for a long time. Please throw some light. This is the light. Contemplation, as I said, contemplation, reflection, application equal to realization. Contemplation, then reflection. Reflection means you're internalizing what you read, internalizing with appropriate feelings. Now Krishna is Supreme Personality Goddess is internalized. See, this is as far as what is coming from outside. As I told you, this is all from our role we are playing. But simultaneously there is an awakening from our soul that Krishna is Supreme Personality Godhead. Just like if you see in a school you have learnt about resonance in physics class. There's a tuning fork. Have you learnt? There's a tuning fork. So the two tuning forks, if they have the same natural frequency, you vibrate one, vibrate one, bring it closely. Before it even goes anywhere at some distance, this starts vibrating. This is called resonance. Similarly, the feeling of joy in associating with Krishna, the delight in welcoming him, the enthusiasm, the accumulating, these are all we are according to Guru, Sadhu and Shastra, what feeling we should have, we are generating. We should give thought feelings, not feelings. Only feelings are fake. Prabhupada clearly says, Bhakti Vedanta. Behind Bhakti there is Vedanta. Just like the last question was saying, isn't it looks like it's all done by the mind? No. You're contemplating on the Vedanta, on the knowledge. Krishna likes knowledge also. Krishna is knowledge. Krishna is knowledge. The devotees are enlightened people. Devotees are not against knowledge. Devotees are against the method to get knowledge. The method to get knowledge is a descending process, Kripa of Guru and Krishna, and I do seva and I will get. Bhakti seva will automatically enlighten me. So in Krishna consciousness, never be against knowledge. Some people, Rupa Goswami says that Bhakti should be jnana and karma free, which means jnana tendency and karma tendency free. How can I be without action? How can I be without knowledge? So, a lot of misunderstanding. So, Bhakti means no knowledge should be there. No. It's all Bhakti Yoga is called Buddhi Yoga. Please understand, Bhakti Yoga is called Buddhi Yoga. That is why this thought feeling is important. The thought is an absolute thought. It is knowledge. Knowledge-based feelings. Truth-based feelings. So, you mentioned feelings are like flame to cook and rotating, stirring or reflection and contemplation. Can you elaborate it, Prabhu? Yes, I already, while reading, I have elaborated it. I am still not thorough with tasking. Can I every day contemplate on both tasking as well as faith? I think contemplation of faith will reinforce tasking also. See, if whatever feelings you have, if that helps you to stop thinking and chant and hear, you adopt that. Nowadays, everyone and common people are talking about spirituality, and we come in contact with many Mayavada philosophy in some way. How do we behave with them, Prabhu? You are a preacher. Behave means you should behave as a preacher. You should quote from Bhagavad Gita what Krishna says. And then most of the people are not Mayavadis. Please understand, Mayavadis are very few, rare. They do not know what is Mayavada. To understand Mayavada itself, it takes a lot of intelligence. Today in Kali Yuga, people are so manda sumanda mataha. To understand Mayavadism is also not so easy. So most of them are simply ignorant. God does not have a form. God is all known. Real Mayavadis who will never get bhakti is different. So this is a speculation. He is still in search of God. There is some power, I don't believe in. But he has not understood what is the nature of a person who is transcendental. He has not understood. Because he is always seeing that every person he knows of is limited. How can you say God is that? That is the whole problem. When the right luck happens, then good fortune comes, then it will strike him that, oh, there could be persons, a different kind of persons than I know of. Eternal persons, transcendental, deathless. There can be a spiritual world of positive variegatedness, positive enjoyment, positive name, form, pastimes, leelas, rasas, love, affection. Everything is there. There is a world. This world is a perverted reflection of that. This is possible. That is why I told how I came to Krishna consciousness. One line in Prabhupada's books on that day in the library. The absolute truth is a person. And then that person is defined as Bhagavan. Oh, this is a person. Absolute truth can be a person, no problem. If he has all these qualities, he can be a person. No problem. But if he is limited, if he has to die, God cannot be a person who dies. God cannot be a person who has a flesh and bone body like this. No, God cannot be. Oh, you're talking about Satchidananda Vigraha. Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha. Anadiradir Govinda. No beginning, no end. There can be a person like that. Yes, that is God. And he is supreme. Ishvara Parama. He is a Parama Ishvara. He is a supreme controller of everything. We are all controlling small things. He is the supreme controller. Great. Shraddha comes. God can be a person. So like this. Today on 16th Mala, along with the feeling of surrender, other feelings also came: protection, Shraddha, forgiveness, gratitude. Is this all right? Perfectly all right. But make sure that concurrent chanting come hearing is happening. Also, all these feelings will concurrently happen because if you connect it to the Nama who is manifesting, not some philosophical Nama in your mind. You are offering Shraddha to a philosophical Nama in your mind. Oh, I should offer Shraddha to Nama while japa. Where? In your mind. Philosophically. Right there on your tongue is there. So be conscious of that. So for him, offer Shraddha there. Feel, connect. Talk the language of forgiveness to the Nama who is coming. Talk the language of gratitude to the person who is before you. Bead after bead. Also, there was a need to do a few rounds of anchoring between listening to Srila Prabhupada's audio in the background. Perfect. You are getting it. Whenever required, you please just switch over to anchoring round. Prabhu, nowadays chanting is very pleasurable. Today I have chanted 19 rounds in 2 rounds and I was feeling very fresh, no strain at all, feeling like chanting more rounds. Wonderful. So you are getting you are doing mindful japa. And, Nama Prabhu is blessing you with Divya, Chesta, Ruchi. That pleasant taste of doing, knowing, doing. I want to do, know. Divine doing and knowing. That is a pleasure of devotional service. Unless devotional service is it gives that Shakti itself, it will become a strain. What's ideal time for off japa time contemplation, Prabhu? Before or after japa? No, see, you don't misunderstand this. It is not every day before or after japa you have to do. These are all off japa time, means one time contemplation. One time means one time you prepare, then it's all right. Okay, Krishna is, see, few days you contemplate, then any time, Shraddha automatically comes. You don't have to do everyday contemplation, off japa time contemplation that Krishna is a Surya of Satchidananda. You have to do it for say 90 days, so you do it. After that, it becomes part of you. No pre-japa is required for Shraddha. So pre-japa is not an eternal thing. If you properly follow all these things, total pre-japa ends in a year's time. Rest of the year, rest of your life, your background feelings will be rich. That is why I am saying in soulful japa also there is a training portion. What is the training portion? You have to contemplate, reflect, go on for 1 year like that, everything. After that, as soon as you take your bead bag, you are waiting for the Nama to appear. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. There is no question of, Shraddha not being there. Shraddha pervades all 16 rounds. Okay, like that. Only people, items like gratitude, forgiveness, they are specific for the round. We are practicing. But eventually, those feelings also get all, built up into, just like if you a person whom you know, respect, feelings of love, feelings of, all feelings rolled up into together, then you see that person. In the same way, all of them get rolled up. Okay. Next. What's the ideal time over? Okay. I am not doing all 16 rounds as a stretch. So for every string, I need to add one anchoring round, or every sitting, yes, or directly continue chant with the background feeling of that round. No. You see, good to train. Always when you break a session, you may require only 10 beats, doesn't matter. But always remember that. I have to bring my training mind, mindful trained mind slice. It has to be loaded from the subconscious into your conscious mind. Let's say you are doing some work, you are driving, and now you stop driving, you stopped your car. So that previous work that you are doing, that there's a mind slice that is there. You are thinking of something, you are solving some problem. So you have to come out of that mood, no? So therefore, it requires 5 rounds, 5 beats, 10 beats, 20 beats. Immediately you'll get back into, you'll get into mindful japa. Driving feeling, we can tell dip, desire, intention, purpose. Dipping in cases. Yeah, you can make your own acronyms. What reminds you? Very good. Do it. Be creative. Okay. Can I know that whether how can I know that whether I am listening or not? See, if you are listening itself is, hearing itself is knowing. So you don't have to know whether I know. If you hear, that means you know. If you hear, you know. If you don't know, then you are not listening. Normally while chanting, okay. How can I know that when I am listening? Normally while chanting, Krishna Leela thoughts come to my mind. Is it bad? Or how to correct the chanting? Yeah. The Krishna Leela, because sometime, in your previous life, without proper sadhana, you might have been a devotee. So, Krishna Leela can come. But if those Krishna Leelas were real Krishna Leelas, you will fall unconscious. So therefore you should know that, let me go here first. So I would not say it is bad or good. Thoughts of Krishna naturally coming means it is not bad. But now you have got a guru, Srila Prabhupada, and he is telling you how to actually properly go into Krishna consciousness. Therefore, now you got a proper path. So now do it properly. Okay. So thank you very much. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu ki Jai.